Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutor. In this video, we will discuss how to add WhatsApp voice messages to videos with CapCut. Let's dive in. First, open the CapCut app on your device and tap on New Project to get started. Next, select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Once it loads into your timeline, tap on the audio option at the bottom of the screen. Then, tap on Sounds at the top and choose the file icon to browse audio files stored on your device. Now, select the From Device option. You'll see a list of audio files saved on your phone. Look for files that start with odd. These are usually WhatsApp voice messages that get saved automatically when you listen to them. Tap on a file to preview it, and if it's the one you want, tap the plus icon to add it to your video project. The voice message will now appear on your timeline. You can move it, trim it, or adjust its position to match your video perfectly. Once everything looks good, tap on Export to save your final video. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.